National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Lake County in East Central Florida, West Central Orange County in East Central Florida, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Louisa, or 8 miles southeast of Groveland, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winter Garden, Windermere, Bay Lake, Claremont, and Oakland. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.